POV, your Irish Leaving Cert exam is right around the corner, and here are some tips and tricks for your exam. The very first thing that you're going to do is your clús tuiscint, which is your listening comprehension. My biggest tip here is when the examiner is getting the audio file ready, you get out your highlighter and you highlight all of your question words. This means you know exactly what they're going to ask you. They play the audio file twice. My biggest tip upon the first listen is write down as much as you can, and then on the second listen you can go back and finish off your answer. The next part of your paper is the written section. For ordinary level, you have to write 2 pieces out of the 4 sections. The 4 sections are a story, a blog, a letter, and a conversation. Remember, you cannot pick 2 pieces from the same section, they have to be from different sections. My higher level tips then is the very first thing that you do, look for your essay. Please make sure to take 5 minutes at the start and make out a plan. You can do this on your paper, and I would recommend breaking it down into paragraphs and what you are going to say in each paragraph. Don't panic if your desired essay comes up in the diasporic. Know your opening, close and middle phrases for your diasporic, and it's easy to transform your essay into a debate. In regards to ordinary level writing, no matter what section you pick for, what they're looking for here is descriptive writing and a wide range of verbs. So make sure to know your verbs in the I'm sure gotcha and step away from using V all the time and try and use as many verbs as you can. The very first thing on the paper for both ordinary level and higher level are the libh tuiscints, which are the reading comprehensions. My main tip here is, again, take out your highlighter and highlight all question words so you know exactly what they're asking of you. My second tip then is to go back into the libh tuiscint and highlight the answers in the text. Then you can transfer the answers into your answer booklet. For the higher level libh tuiscints, as we know, we have our 6A, which is the grammar section, and 6B, which is the personal opinion on the text. Know your little pieces of grammar. Mar hampla, they might ask you to search for a verb in the I'm sure gotcha in paragraph 1, and therefore you have to do that. So make sure to read the question carefully. For 6B, as you know, many different questions can come up. For example, the personal traits of the writer, did you enjoy the text, the reasonings why the author wrote this text. Make sure to know your your phrases for each part. For the poetry, the main things that you should know are na hiavana, the images, na mohukan, the feelings, agus an téma, the theme. For the higher level students, ensure to know the poet, both their career and their life, in case this comes up as a 9-marker question. Also know the rhythm of the poem. Don't forget the poem comes up on the paper, so you do not need to learn off any quotes, they're right there for you. In regards to the prose, make sure to know na character, the characters, an téma, the theme, agus an plota, and the plot of the story. And then finally, for the higher level, your extra literature, whether it's on trial or another story, make sure to know the characters, the theme, and the plot as well. Make sure that you're not just summarising, make sure to analyse and know your phrases for this as well. Always, always, always take at least 5 minutes at the end of the paper to read through your answers. You never know what you might spot, and little mistakes you can then fix. And now, Jane Darmid, don't forget, you have the hard work put in over the last 2 years. You've done your Irish oral. It is time to show off your knowledge now. Good n-éirí, libh.